everybody, we are currently at Walmart and I'm here to share with you guys my deals. I have a lot of deals that I'm super excited for. My Weekend Warrior actually popped up. I need 15 rebates to get $5, and then I need 3 rebates to finish. I joined Ibotta 7 years ago on February 17th, so I have a Ibottaversary rebate for 3 rebates for $1, so we're gonna definitely hit that. But I got my shopping buddy with me. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So yeah, so we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna take the pictures of the products that I get, and then when I come home I will have the breakdowns throughout the videos for you guys, and then I will be picking the 3 winners for the bags that I have for a giveaway. So we're gonna definitely check that out. But let's go inside and go shopping. You ready to go shopping?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you like shopping about? What's your favorite thing to shop?
Brown.
Brown?
Yeah, brown.
Brown. We like to shop for brown. So we'll catch you guys back in a little bit. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring you my Walmart Ibotta haul. It has been crazy. My store, so last week I think I told you guys this, but I also posted on Instagram that my store's flooring, or the shoe department was completely gone. It was empty, and I don't remember if I saw the shoes today. Actually, I don't remember seeing the shoes again. They might have moved them to a different spot, but they put all the baby stuff in the shoe area. So I follow my Walmart on Facebook. They have their own Facebook page for that location, and my store is remodeling it because I have seen a ton of moving trailers outside, or storage trailers outside. So my store is remodeling their store completely, so everything is just getting like moved around and everything, mostly in like the clothing and the shoes department, and then over like in the home good, or the hardware section / sporting goods, automotive, that stuff's getting all moved around too. So I'm just like, okay, let's just try to figure things out. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So here's a great deal if you guys love salsa. So this is the Fresh Cravings salsa. This is $2.98. You'd pay $2.98 for it. But then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. And there is an 88-cent rebate with checkout 51. Plus you get 150 swag bucks when you purchase this also. So it's $1.50. So this comes out to be just 10 cents. Now, my store doesn't carry those blue chips, but if you get the salsa and the blue chips, you get a bonus with swag bucks. So it just depends on if you guys have it. My store does not carry those. They never have, but that's an easy deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So I had a lot of stuff on my list. I wanted to get the Nivea. My store didn't sell that. I wanted to get the New Degree body wash / bars. My store did not have those in stock. My store was completely sold out of every Colgate total toothpaste there was. And then there's just a couple other things I wanted to get, but my store just didn't carry it. So I ended up getting this because I needed 15 rebates. So the Dairy Chicken, this is $3 on clearance. Oh, thank you. $3 on clearance at Walmart. There is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, and then there is 450 points you get when you purchase this through Shopkicks, which is $1.80. So this thing of chicken just comes out to be just 20 cents. I thought for 20 cents, that's a pretty decent deal. My in-laws absolutely love that stuff, so I just give it to them. So the next deal I got is the Purex laundry detergent. Now, I've seen laundry detergent going up like crazy lately, so why not stock up on it when you can? So these were, where did I write this down at? Seriously, I don't even follow the order. So these were $4.97. You want to buy 2 of them, you'd pay $9.94. But then you get 50 cents back with Ibotta times 2, so you get $1 back with Ibotta. And then you get 500 swag bucks for purchasing 2 of them, which is $5. So these come out to be just $3.94 or $1.97, which is a pretty decent deal. So I ended up getting those because, you know, had to get laundry detergent for that. The next deal I got is the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. This was $1.82. We have 50% off coupons that you want to use from our inserts that we got a couple weeks ago. You would end up paying $1.32, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. making this just 82 cents. So yeah, and it's seriously, Paris, I'm at my desk and you have to jump on my desk. So it's funny is I haven't bought, like, for 2 whole years I didn't buy toilet bowl cleaner because number one, I had a lot and there just wasn't any deals for it, but I'm happy to say that. One thing I did forget to mention is the winners for the reusable bags. So I'm going to pick 3 winners, and then I will pick another secret word another time. I'm just going to hold off on giving those out, or I'll give them out in other videos. But the first winner of the bags are Jennifer, great name, Donald. Jennifer Donald, you are the one winner, so you want to definitely send me a message, either Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, email, however, and let me know what your address is so I can mail you out 3 of those bags. Another winner is Melissa Weatherby. You also want to send me a message, and then the third winner is, I'm just picking it as my, well, it says Daniel and Lydia, but Lydia, will you please send me a message? I'm gonna bash your name, I'm sorry. Is it Giretes? Yeah, Lydia, send me a message. I know you comment on my videos like crazy too. So just wanted to share with you guys on those winners. But yeah, I use these bags like crazy. I use them, they're waterproof. I'm just gonna say I can't get enough of those bags. So yes. Anyways, so the next thing I got is the Armor All wipes. Now, make sure you read the fine print, especially on Swagbucks, because I was gonna get the cheaper ones, but those were only 20. Those were 20 wipes. You have to get the ones that say 30 wipes, and you have to get wipes, not the spray or anything. So make sure you guys are reading. But I ended up getting leather care, and then I also got the cleaning wipes. These were $4.37. You want to buy 2 of them. You'd pay $8.74. But with checkout 51, you get $1.09 back and $1.09 back, and then you get 700 swag bucks, which is $7 when you purchase 2. Now checkout 51 and swag bucks are sister sites. Just giving you guys a heads up with that. But these come out to be a 44-cent moneymaker, which I'm pretty excited because I need to clean my car off anyways. And I thought maybe we could use some of this leather cleaner on our couch because we do have a leather couch. So I got that. And I think Graham's car has leather seats. I don't remember off the top of my head, but got those anyways. I got them mostly intentionally for our couch. So my store finally got the Mountain Dew Spark. Now my store had the melon one. And then I noticed that they were expired like a couple days after I bought it. So they were pretty much getting rid of the melon ones to replace it with a Spark. Now I did try the one with 0 sugar in it, and I don't know why, but I feel like when you drink like the 0 stuff, it has like a little bit of an off taste to it. I don't like diet soda at all. I always feel like there's a dryness to my mouth after I drink it. But I found it, so I'm excited to try this. So this was $1.98. You'd pay $1.98 for this, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta. So you just get this for 98 cents. And then I ended up getting the Fanta. Don't you want a Fanta? Now they have a dragon fruit one that's like hot pink, but my store does not carry that. They only carry the this one. So this was also $1.98. But then you get 60, don't touch that, honey, that's Aki's. But then you get 60 cents back with Ibotta, making this just $1.38. If you guys need some soda, go for it. And then I ended up getting the Aveeno scrub. Now, I thought I had a printable coupon for it, but it said baby, and then when I went to the register, it dinged at me. So that coupon does not work, but there is a $2 off coupons.com digital coupon that you guys want to submit your receipt for. So make sure, you know, I just wasn't thinking straight. But that's okay. It still turned out a great deal, or a decent deal. So this was $5.68. Without that coupon, you'd pay $5.68 for it, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and then you submit your receipt for $2 back on coupons.com. So this comes out to be just $1.68, so it's an okay deal. We ended up getting the Sweet Tarts, the mini chewy candy. This was $1. You'd pay $1 for this, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. My husband is calling me. So you get a 50-cent rebate, making it 50 cents. Okay, I'm back. Husband's messaging me, calling me, my mother is messaging me, and my in-laws are messaging me, and then we have the little princess in the background. It's never a dull moment. Never a dull moment, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's share with some more items that I got. So I ended up calling my mom because I'm like, what do you want for these? I was gonna get these last week and then I decided not to, but I'm glad I didn't because there's dollar off insert or printable coupons for these, plus there is some in the coupons.com app. So I ended up getting these Twinings tea. These were $4.28, but then you want to use a $1 off coupon, and the $1 off coupon, it does have a limit of 2 printable coupons per transaction. You would pay $6.56 for these, but then you would submit a 5 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.56 or just 78 cents each. So if you guys need some tea, go for it. I messaged my mom because she drinks tea. I can't stand it. Just like coffee and tea, I cannot handle it. But I ended up getting these Zone Perfect bars. I just got the chocolate peanut butter because I thought my kids would like this one the best. So these were $5.48. You want to buy 2 of them, you'd pay $10.96. But then there is a 4 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, and you get 400 swag bucks when you purchase 2. So these come out to be just $2.96 or $1.48. So $1.48 for those is a pretty okay deal. So got those. I ended up getting the Bic Flex men's razors. These were $3.97. You'd pay $3.97 for this, but then there is a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. Yes. I ended up getting this Truvia Sweet Complete sugar. These were $7.68. I used a $1.50 off insert coupon. There might be a printable coupon too. You'd pay $6.18 for this, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta. And with Shopkicks, I got 525 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $2.10. So this bag of sugar comes out to be $2.18. So I'm like, I don't need it, but my in-laws or my mom might. Look at it. It's like, this is how full it is. It's like half. It's just crazy, but I got that in case somebody in my family needs it. I got St. Joseph. This was the 25% more. So this is 150 pills instead of the normal 120. So these were $4.42. There is a $2 off insert coupon that you'd want to use. You'd pay $2.42, but then there's a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 92 cents. My husband, I'm surprised, ate this like crazy last time I got it. So these were $1.88. You'd pay $1.88 for it, but then there is a 50-cent rebate for this. So you'd get this for $1.38, but then I also received a 25-cent minute rice bonus from getting it from the last time a couple weeks ago to this time. So that's the reason why I did that deal, just for that 25% bonus. Now I was looking for some salsa and some other stuff for my husband. He had a request of stuff for me to get, and I ended up getting this. Here it is, if that's what it is. It's avocado hot sauce. Now my store had hang tags, $1 off hang tag coupons on here, so I'm like, we're gonna get it for $1 with that $1 coupon. So these were $2.78. You'd pay, you use that $1 off hang tag coupon. You would pay $1.78, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 78 cents. So I'm like, for 78 cents, it's a pretty good deal. And be prepared, avocados are gonna be going up in price like crazy. There was some kind of post where some kind of threat or something's going on. I don't eat avocados, but just be prepared, some of that stuff might be going up. So I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis, the hair reset. This is the only ones that my store had. What is this for actually? Dry scalp. I don't have a dry scalp. But anyways, these were just marked down to $2.50, so I took advantage of that. I had that 4 off of 2 insert coupon. You would pay $1 for this, but then you get $2 back with Ibotta and $2 back with Ibotta. So this comes out to be a $3 moneymaker. $3 moneymaker. Otherwise, I think they're $6.97. So you guys would end up getting these for like 12, 14 bucks, and then it comes down to 10 and 6. Yeah, so if you can get it for that price, definitely go ahead and do that. So that was my haul. What I'm going to start doing for you guys is also share with you all the apps that I submit my receipts to. So for everything that I got, I did submit my receipt to, I did buy some other groceries, but make sure you guys are submitting your receipt to the Box Tops app. You can specify what grade you want your money to go to. So I'm just saying, if you guys do that, I've been slacking on that website big time on sending receipts. So make sure you guys are sending your receipts to that website to give your school, or if your grandkids, or if your best friends' kids, anybody that you know who needs those kind of money for their school. And then also make sure you guys are submitting your receipt to the P&G. As far as I know, those points do not expire, so you definitely want to keep, you know, checking it out and submitting your receipt. I just been kind of just adding my points up for something good. And then also make sure you submit a receipt to the Kellogg's Family Rewards. I've yet to do that, but I've been really gonna start trying to submit my receipts like crazy. So those are the ones that I didn't include in this haul, but those are the ones that you still want to do. But I didn't buy any P&G items anyway, so it doesn't matter. My total came to $71.37 for everything. I did receive my $1 off bonus for the Ibotta-versary, so I needed 3 rebates for that. For the Weekend Warrior, I needed 15 rebates, and I got 15 rebates, and I got $5 back for that. And then I also had a 10-cent any receipt, so that's included in my 15 rebates. But for Ibotta, I received $28.30 back. Checkout 51 I received, and I actually got approved for it right away, but I received $3.06 back. With Shopkick, I received 985 points for purchasing and scanning and the walk-in, so I got $3.94 for that. With Swagbucks, I received $17.52. With coupons.com, I received $2 back, and I instantly got that back right away. And then I also received a 25-cent bonus for Minute Rice. I didn't get anything on Fetch Rewards. I had stuff written down, but my store wasn't carrying the items that I wanted to get. So my grand total came to $10.30. I got 15 rebates, 22 items at 46 cents each. So make sure you guys are submitting those receipts. I mean, 10 bucks for all that stuff, I think that's a pretty great deal, considering this was like 7 bucks just right here alone. So got that. But oh, and make sure you guys are also submitting your receipt to Coinout. It takes a long time, but you know, it can add up eventually. And then I asked in a poll yesterday about what other apps you guys are submitting your receipts to get free money. I'm not talking about like the cashback apps, like, you know, like Ibotta, Checkout 51. I'm talking about like just scanning receipts and getting money. But I'm gonna make a video soon of all the apps of how to get free money just by scanning things here and there. So be prepared to watch out for that video. But I just wanted to share with you guys on that. If you haven't already, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye-bye.